Here I have started a Zoom session on my iPad, and you can notice there that I have my iPad there. I also have my MacBook, which I'm recording on, so I apologize for that if you're seeing double. But if I click on and make this available here, I can switch the camera. I can, on the left-hand side here, I can switch cameras so that I'm going to be looking at me now. And I could also switch to the active speaker. So whoever's speaking, I really suggest the students do that because then they can listen to see who's speaking at all times. If I click it again, you'll notice I have mute, so I can mute myself, and I can unmute myself. I can stop my video, and this is where some students accidentally click, so now they get that icon that shows up. So if they do that, they have to come back and they have to start video again. If you're asking them as the teacher to share some content with the class, they could go ahead and they could share content. You can see there that only the host can share in this meeting because that's a setting that I have set there. If I click participants, it's going to give me a list of participants. This is where students can raise their hand. So you as the host need to be able to see that the students are raising their hand. And you'll notice that my hand is up there now. You can also ask them questions and they can respond by saying yes, no, go slower, go faster. And then when I click the more button, there's thumbs up, thumbs down, clapping, coffee, or time for a break. Also in here, I have the chat. So you might want to have somebody else monitor your chat. If you're the one that's going to be doing all the instruction, it's kind of hard to monitor the chat, what's going on, and monitor student questions that might be popping up and whatnot. Notice where it says send to. Right now it says everyone. I can click in there and I can send something just to the host, or I could send something to everyone. There's a setting within the settings that you can set it so that students do not chat at all. So that's there for you. And then last but not least, you have the more button here. And those are just some of the other things that can go there. So you can chat, you can give the thumbs up, and you notice the clapping symbol that's there, or I can give a thumbs up. That's kind of like a reaction for students. And then I have chat, minimize the meeting, and everything else that's in there. So there you have it. That's how you're going to do what it looks like on an iPad in Zoom.